Hey boys, we just bought a fucking boat.
We purchased a boat. That's where we were, Greg.
Sorry, Greg, we just bought a boat, man. So
the mini Cape.
yeah, yeah.
It's not Cape Canaveral if you're gonna see. She lives.
Really nice boat.
In all of her glory.
Oh, wait.
That's what I was gonna say.
There we go. Special errors now.
What's this kind of boat called? A tugboat?
Yeah, it's kind of like a tugboat. Beautiful. You like it?
Not much to it. There's a fucking station right up at the top there. Get fucking there. We'll have to give him a tour. Let's get a bit closer here.
Cheers.
What a great day.
What a beautiful day. We're gonna hang up some fucking posters and shit like that. Get back to Greg's house, get him a burger so he's not fucking hangry, and do some jamming and shit like that. And hopefully do a recording too, man. I'm gonna record how I want to record. That's how the song is. No. It needs to go fast.
God damn it, Gregors. That's
We
the
got-
key to my heart.
That's the key. And you know what you did?
You fucking smashed it!
Come on, son.
Give me a hug.
I love it. At least we got each other.
To sleep, man. Alright,
He
shut
hates,
up.
He hates us. Why does he hate us so much?
Alright, stop being a pussy, please.
Okay.
We just bought a boat.
Oh, we just
Snap
bought-
out of it.
Ah, fuck. Okay.
Alright,
Cheers.
We gotta get hot.
Yeah.
That's a good fucking Sanford and Son. With all this wood right here, we could build a ramp going up to the top of that and make a top floor up there.
Yep. Dude, this place is fucking huge, let me tell you.
It's a pretty cool place.
It's gonna be fucking huge. You should make a video on there and save us some time.
All right, we'll save us some time. We've got 10 minutes left. After this. Well, I'm not gonna start it. I'm gonna have to start a new one in there. Show me the inside of the boat. The inside of the boat. Tugboat. Fucking station in the front. Pretty nice. Look at the base of shoes. Nice.
The Wabaki.
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 Alright, let's get high.
Hey, Randers, wanna get high?
Oh, that'll fucking even you out. They ripped the fucking dashboard off the fucking thing.
Oh, fuck.
Gotta put it back on. It's a nice little fucking trailer though. For that little tugger.
Nice fishing boat.
Apparently Donkey Troop's brother has his fucking toy collection in here.
Really?
That's what he was saying. I don't know about any more. Battling against the elements to get high.
More fucking people. Alright, boys. And people and gents.
Alright, well. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
The grand finale. Have a good one, boys. I'll see you inside. Randy.